In this video, we'll learn how to build highly customizable products for Shopify. I will present to you a great tool that allows you to add unlimited fields to your Shopify products, including text fields, drop-down menus, checkboxes, image uploads, swatches, and much more. And on top of that, the tool is also able to generate a live preview of the product as it is being customized by your customers, which is a great way to boost your conversions. So let's get started. The app is called Live Preview Options. You simply need to install it on your Shopify store to get started. When you open the app, you first need to activate the app embed on your current Shopify theme. So you click on that button and then you simply need to enable the app embed like this. And then don't forget to save. Once that is done, you have the list of customization options you have. So let's create a new product that we're going to customize. The product is called Pillow. So let's search for it and let's select it. Then the first thing you need to select is whether or not you want to generate a live preview of that product. So let's select this checkbox. We need to upload an image for that, just like this. So now we have the base image and the live preview is going to be applied on this image. So next we need to add our option fields. You have a bunch of types of fields that we can add, from swatches, text fields, drop-down menus, image selectors, checkboxes, upload fields, and even you can add instructions to your customers. So let's see an example here, a color field. So here you have a swatch field. We can give a name for the field. So this is, for example, choose a color. And then we can add as many colors as we want. The app allows you to add unlimited options to your products, so since it doesn't use variants. So you can use colors, but you can also upload your own image. You can also make it so that different options increase the price differently, and you can either increase by a specific unit amount or using a percentage value. So you can, for example, say here that the color blue is gonna cost 10% more. So if the product is $40, it's gonna cost $44 for the blue color, and so on. So let's give a name. Here, let's call it red, blue, and green. And for now, we haven't customized the way it's gonna apply a live preview. If you don't want to, you can just skip this part. But if you want, you can check this box here, affect live preview. And now here we can specify how the colors are gonna affect the base image. You can either upload a mask or edit it right in the app. So here we can select the parts of the image that we want to colorize. So I'm really gonna do it really quickly here because we don't have much time. But basically you can select a part of the video, the red part, a part of the image, and the red part is basically what is gonna be colorized. So it's inside of the mask. So let's increase the brush size. So we're not gonna be very precise because this is just a small demo. If you want, you can also do this in a different photo editing tool if you want. For example, Photoshop or any other tool you want to use. But for now, we're going to just use it like this. Perfect. There's also this magic mask here that allows you, this would have probably been a better option. So we select it like this. And now we can remove these extra parts right here. All right, so this is the mask. When you create the image in Photoshop, for example, the black part is going to be what is going to be colorized, and the white part is going to be the sections of the image that will not be colorized. So let's save. And here you can see that different colors affect the image differently. All right, let's add another field. Let's add a text field. So type your text. We can select whether it's multi-line, character limits, and so on. And then you can place the text anywhere in the image. And you can also specify, for example, a font. So let's choose this font. Let's increase the size like this. Note that you can also check these boxes, and this will allow the customer to actually change these values. So if you want to allow the customer to change the font size, simply check this box. You can also upload your own fonts if you want, using a TTF font files. You can upload your own fonts and allow your customers to choose their own fonts. But we're just gonna go with this. Let's go with this font. You can set the color and so on. Let's choose, for example, swatches, and let's allow the customer to add maybe a few colors, something like this. Yeah. All right. So now we have added the text field. Now let's add a drop-down menu. So you can select an option, option A, option B, and so on. When you click on Affect Live Preview, what you can do basically here is it adds these two fields here, and you can upload an image, and it's gonna overlay that image on top of our preview. So for example, let's say you want to add something extra, you want to I don't know, add an extra product here. You can allow the person to do that, and you upload the image here, and that image is going to be layered on top of our live preview, just like this. For now, let's uncheck it. We have also the image selector, and it's literally the same thing as the drop-down menu. The only difference, as you can see, you can also upload your image. The only difference is that instead of being options in a drop-down, it's going to be images. So you can select, for example, different patterns or different things like that, and you can do it with this image selector. Then we have the checkbox. Let's remove this field, we don't need it. You can add a checkbox, you can make it increase the price. For example, it could be something, do you want premium? So if you want something premium, you can add a checkbox, and it's going to increase the price by, let's say, $20. You can also use the checkbox once again to overlay an image on top of the live preview. And finally, we have the upload field. So this allows you to allow your customers to upload their images or any type of file, and you can set that here in the allowed file types. So if you want to allow only images, you can set it like this, but you can also allow them to upload, for example, a document, a PDF or something like that. If you want their upload to affect the live preview, you need to select images here, and you can make them their upload be overlaid on top of our live preview. So whenever image they're gonna upload is gonna be displayed right here. You can set the size, make it cropped, cover, or things like that. So for example, here the image is gonna be cropped so that it fits inside of this 400 pixels by 400 pixels area. You can increase it if you want, just like this. So yeah, you have really full control over the way things will be displayed. And finally, you have an instruction field. You can do things like give specific instructions to your customers. So let's say you want to allow them to upload an image. You can give instructions here. You can use some very basic HTML right here. And you can, for example, do warning or something like this, and it's going to be displayed just like this. Let's take it and let's say something like, please upload a high resolution image, something like this. So we have pretty much seen the different option fields that the app allows you to use. So let's go to the next step. The next step is the conditional logic. Basically, the way it works is that you can show and hide options. So these options that we've seen here, you can show them and hide them depending on what other options were selected. So you can put conditions. So for example, you can do something like when the option B is selected, then we need to show the premium checkbox here. So basically, the premium checkbox is not going to be displayed unless option B is selected for this option. So we can save, and now we have this product. We can view it. So you can see that the different options are now visible. You can change the color. You can type your own text. So hello world. And you can see that it updates. You can even change the text color as we've seen previously. And you can also select here an option. And as we said, when we select option B, then the premium checkbox here shows up. And you can see that when we check it, it increases by $20. Here it increases by 10%, so $40 is going to become $44, and everything is applied in series. So first we will add a $4, a 10%, and here we're going to add a $20 increase, so $64. And here we can upload an image. So let's upload an image, and you can see here that the image has been overlaid on top of our live preview. And when we add the product to the cart, you can see that the right price is going to be displayed in the cart. So right here, the options here, they show up right here. You can even see the live preview here. And when you will receive the order from your customers, you're going to get all of this information, and you can use it to make their custom product. So that's pretty much it. You can visit the app and try it for yourself. It has a 100% free trial period, so give it a try and see if it fits your needs. It's really a great way to boost your engagement with your customers and really increase the conversion rate of your store.